Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to create a transparent text effect in CapCut. Let's jump right in. Open a new CapCut project and drag your video footage onto the timeline. Select the video clip, go to the Video tab, and scroll down to Canvas. Enable the Canvas option and set the background color to black. Next, reduce the video scale to 20% and drag it outside the frame. This creates a blank space for the text. Add a text layer by clicking text in the top menu. Drag default text onto the timeline, adjust its duration to match the video, and type your desired words. Customize the font, size, and apply bold styling. Select both layers, right-click, and choose Create Compound Clip. Drag this compound clip to the top layer. Go to the Import tab and add another copy of your original video to the lower layer. Click the top compound clip. Navigate to Blend in the video settings and experiment with modes like Darken or Soft Light to blend the text with the background video. Play around with different blend modes until the text appears transparent, revealing the video underneath. Adjust settings as needed for your desired effect. And that's it. Your transparent text effect is ready. If this helped, drop a comment below and subscribe for more editing tips. Happy creating!